Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about DCOUNT and DCOUNTA function. So DCOUNT function in Excel counts the number of cells that contain numeric data in a specified field or column within a database that matches the criteria you specify. So you have to count within a database based on some condition or criteria you give. So what is database? It is nothing else but a table or a long data set. So you can select the whole data set like this, and this will be the database. While DCOUNTA function in Excel counts the number of non-blank cells in a specified field or column within a database that matches the criteria you specify. It works similarly to DCOUNT, but DCOUNTA counts both numeric and text entries, whereas DCOUNT only counts numeric data. So starting with the video, we have a table having name, class and ID number. So what we have to search in this database or in this table, we have to search how many Tony Fernando entries are there with ID number 12. So we will be using DCOUNT first of all. So what DCOUNT function says, database comma field comma criteria. So what is database? This is our database. This is the whole table from which we have to extract the entries, that how many entries are there which are having Tony Fernando as name and ID number as 12. Now comma field. What is the field? Since DCOUNT counts only numeric data, so the numeric data is our ID number. So we have to select the ID number label, not the ID number entry but the ID number label. We don't have to select the 12, we have to select ID number as a label, comma. Now what is the criteria? So in criteria we have to select this table, the whole name ID number table, from which we have to extract that how many entries are there which are fulfilling these two conditions. So in criteria you have to give a table having the specified condition. So pressing enter will give us 4. Since we are having 4 Tony Fernandos, this is the Tony Fernando, this one and this one. So we are having 4 Tony Fernandos having 12 as ID number. So our DCOUNT function is done. So next, coming to DCOUNTA function, in which we can count the non-numeric data. So what DCOUNTA function says, it asks for database comma field comma criteria. So it's same as DCOUNT, we have to select the database. Then since DCOUNTA works on non-numeric, so in this case the given two criterias, among the given two criterias, name is a non-numeric label. So selecting G5, the name label, then criteria. So these are our criterias and we can select this as a table. Pressing enter will give us 4, since we are having only 4 Tony Fernando entries. Let's replicate something else. Let's say Sam John. So now we are having only 3 Tony Fernando with ID number 12 as entry. Let's modify it as well. Let's give it 25 number. So now we are having only 2 entries of Tony Fernando having ID number 12. So in this way you can count with a given condition from the whole table. So hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and follow the channel on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video.